welcome back to my channel. I'm all ramped up today. Had a great weekend. Finally filming some more boxes. I'm in the same month. I'm in August. I don't know if I'll be posted in August, but I filmed it in August. And what are we filming right now? My favorite subscription box, Boxycharm. Love this box. It feels very heavy this month, which is always nice. So this is $25 a month, approximately US. I think it's supposed to be valued at over $100 of products. You get between 5 and 7 usually, all full-size items. So let's dig in. All right, so, it's always good when it's got the styrofoam stuff, because that means there's good stuff in there. So the theme is Go All Out. And on the back of this card, it will tell us the full-size price, or the prices of all of our items. They should all be full size. And then it's come nicely. It came nicely packaged. So that's what it looks like when I first open it. It looks like maybe an eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna pick this up and move it over here and not look at it, because I like to save that for last. This is my favorite thing to get. So let's see what our first thing is. So we can take that out. So from Jecca Black, we have got Play Pots Gold Touch Shimmer Finish, a cream pigment for eyes, lips, and cheek. I like this brand, Jecca Black. I have got, I'm not obviously wearing it right now because of these dark circles, but it's like a concealer. Like it's that pretty pink salmon color. You dab it under your eyes and it's supposed to counteract the purple. So I do like this brand for that. I don't think I've ever tried anything else from that brand that I know of. How do I get into this little box? So the large pots encourage you to use makeup brushes or your fingertips to apply the handy individual pots. Make them perfect for popping into your bag to take with you on the go. And it's also available in other shades. So what shade is this? Gold Touch. Oh wow, it's a nice size pot. Okay, so it's not, I don't believe it's not like loose powder. So that is what the packaging looks like, and then that is what the product looks like, and we'll give it a try. So it looks, without me touching it first, it looks like it's a cream. Does it say it's a cream? Yes, it already said it was a cream. Oh, it is very creamy. So that is what it looks like on my finger, if it would focus. No, that's me. It is very creamy and it is very nicely pigmented. So I would definitely use that as an eyeshadow, probably. It's a huge size too. How big is this? 10 mils or 0.33 fluid ounces. So it's a really decent size. That'll last you forever. So that was first item. Okay, what do we have next? All from Clean Skin Club. A pineapple glow mist. This is what the weight was. Hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants, 100 mils or 3.4 fluid ounces. That's a huge size. So Clean Skin Club, it's one of the few things I've got something from this brand in a Boxycharm, and then I have repurchased it when they had their sales, because I do love the brand. It's what is it? It's a vitamin C serum that I use from them. So I am hoping that this is also a great product. And it's, look at that, it's a glass bottle, it's beautiful. I've said in other videos that I like organizing my skincare by color on my bathroom shelf. So this is really nice. I like to get skincare that's in a colorful bottle or colorful tube. So yeah, that is a huge size. Let's see what's the mist. When are we supposed to use this? Use directly after cleansing. Mist onto clean, dry skin, both AM and PM, and before serums, moisturizers, and SPFs. So a pro tip is to spritz 3 or 4 pumps of pineapple glow mist onto your clean towel before patting your face dry for a nourishing and refreshing finish. So let's just see if it smells like, I'm just going to put it on my hand. Let's see if it smells like pineapples and also what the mist looks like. So it's a very fine mist, which is what you want. This maybe has a light pineapple scent, but not too much. It does, like it's already disappeared basically from my skin. I felt really nice and cooling, so it would be nice on a hot, like after a hot day, you wash your face and then you spray that on and it would be really nice and cooling. All right, so we've got two, I'll just pull out both, looks like face masks from Vitamasks. So this one is the Glow Juicy Berries sheet mask. And this one is the Nourish Flower Nectar. Also sheet mask. It looks like they are also both biodegradable, which is perfect. So this one it's made with multi-peptides, ceramides, and flower extracts, such as cherry blossom, hibiscus, and orange blossom to nourish and repair the skin. And my favorite kind of mask is one where you put it on, take it off, and then rub it in, and you don't have to wash your face afterwards. Yes, so that's what this one is. So you leave it on for 20 minutes, remove it, and then gently pat the rest, whatever's left, into your skin. And, you know, I like to do my sheet masks in bed, so I don't like to get up and have to wash my face. I just usually get up, take off the mask, throw it out, go back to bed, or put it in my bedroom garbage. And then the Glow Juicy Berries. It's made with vitamin C, niacinamide, I probably said that wrong, and a super berry complex that includes raspberry and blackberry to brighten and improve uneven skin tones. It's a big claim when brands say that it helps uneven skin tones, but you got to keep using it, I think, because a lot of stuff I only get one of, and then I'm like, well, it didn't do anything. But you got to have patience, because I do, like this section, like basically here and here, gets really red, especially when I'm anxious or nervous. So a lot of times when I'm filming, actually, I'm really red because this is not, this doesn't come naturally to me, being able to talk to all of you. But yeah, I do like stuff that helps out with uneven skin tones. I also have a lot of freckles. So yeah, it's nice when you have stuff like that. And now a car alarm's going off somewhere. Okay, second to last item is also a heavy box. Oh, I think I picked this. I think with Boxycharm, I believe, you can choose one of your items every month if you are, yeah, I believe so. So I actually chose this. I have a couple of sets of fake lashes that I have got in boxes, but none of them have come with glue. So this one came with glue, so I figured I could use the other ones I got as well. I've never ever in my entire 40 years of life had fake lashes, tried fake lashes. It scares the heck out of me. I can't even do eyeliner. Like, obviously, as you can see, I'm not good at it. But I wanted to give it a try because I feel like they would really make my eyes pop. So this is from, I believe it's Lava, Los Angeles. False Eyelashes Flirty Lash Set. So it includes one pair of 3D mink eyelashes in style flirty, one eyelash adhesive, latex free and waterproof, and one applicator. It's cruelty free, and you can use up to 30 uses per pair. So that's a lot of uses. These last me forever then. Yeah. So we have one item left after this. I am excited to try these. It's always nice to try things, step outside your comfort zone, but it's going to be a disaster. I just know it. But it does have a nice, really nice pair of tweezers to help you apply them. So hopefully don't take an eye out. Okay, so the thing I pulled out of the top, let's see what it is. They really packaged it nicely because they put it in bubble wrap and then they put this styrofoam around it so that it wouldn't get all smashed. Okay, so it's from Laura Geller and Qu'est-ce que c'est? So the Casual Collection Multi-Finish eyeshadow palette. And it has 12 pans. So 12 shades, endless ways. The pressed eyeshadow palette features velvety, matte, and shimmering suede finishes to create perfect looks for day and night. The silky texture blends effortlessly on the lid and delivers comfortable, crease-proof color that stays put. Want a smoky eye? Done. How about a soft, natural effect? Done. Achieve a different, easy look for every mood and occasion. So I've got one of her palettes, but I have never tried it. I mean, I do have a lot of palettes, so it would take a long time for me to get to it. But let's see what this baby has. It's nice packaging. Let's see it all together. Or not. All right. So let's flip it over so we cover the mirror. That is the palette. I gotta say, let me look at it. Okay, it's a lot more pinky. Okay, now I can see it's more pink. I have all these colors in 100 other palettes, but I'll swatch it anyways, will I? Yes, sure, let's swatch it. Why not? Here we go. Let's just see what the texture feels like. It's a little cakey on the shimmers. I'm just gonna do the top row and then see how they feel on my, yeah, like see, look at all that chunkiness. I mean, those are actually really beautiful. So ignore this, that's from earlier, but like see how that's a little chunky. Though this purple is really pretty though, and this shimmer is really pretty. Let me swatch the rest and then we'll see how we feel. All right, so I finished swatching. Didn't do a very good job. I didn't. The colors are pretty. It's just they're not as pigmented as I would like. The shimmers are nice, but they do get a little chunky on the skin. I mean, granted, I'm using my finger instead of an eyeshadow brush and onto my arm instead of my eyelid. This one is really pretty. This one is, I'm not very inspired by this palette. Felt a little dry, to be honest. But these like lilac shades are really beautiful, and like right here, also beautiful. I mean, it's nice. It's a nice neutral pinky palette. But I just have so many of these, so I'm actually probably gonna pass this along. I never thought I'd say that. And this looks really green on the screen, but it's not green on my arm. I guess it's a duochrome, but it's pulling mostly blue and blackish. So I'm actually going to pass that along, I think. Crazy. So how do we feel about this box? I liked it. It wasn't my favorite. Had some good stuff in it though. Let's pick my favorites, shall we? What is my favorite? I'm gonna go with this. What is this? The Pineapple Glow Mist from Clean Skin Club. Love that brand. In terms of use, I'm going to then go with the sheet masks. I love a good sheet mask before bed, just to help, makes you feel all pampered. I'm gonna go with the lashes next, just because look at the length of those. I'm gonna pick these because they scare me. I'm intimidated by these, and I'm terrified and petrified. And then I'm going to go with the Black. Can't even talk. Jecca Black Palette Pots. It's a really pretty gold shimmer. I don't know that I'll keep it just because, like, I love palettes. I love big palettes. So single shades, I tend to give just to my sister or my nieces. So there's that, and then I hardly ever do this. I'm gonna pick this last. That packaging is really beautiful, but it emotes what the inside is, which is kind of just dull. Sorry. I think someone else would really like this a lot. I mean, it does have really pretty colors. I just don't need this. I have so many already. So I'm gonna pass this along. Somebody who will be really happy to have it, I'm sure. All right, now let's find out the value of our box. Man, that went by quick, eh? Or maybe not for you if you were bored by it, but so the Laura Geller eyeshadow palette, $45. So that's already almost twice what our box cost. The Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set, $54. Man, people pay a lot of money to torture themselves. The Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist, $38. The Vitamasks So both of these are $18 in total. And then the Jekka Black Play Pot, $21.50. So let me quick do some calculations and try not to forget how much it is, and I'll be right back. Okay, so Google has said that my box is valued at $176.50, which is well above the $100 value that we're supposed to get, so that's good. Well, I will use most of these things. So the value is there because I'll use, like, this is $38 and my box costs $25. So just alone, that would make it worth it. Plus the masks. I love skincare. I love makeup, but I really love skincare. So yeah. I mean, oh, and this was a new launch, these eyelashes, it says. So, oh my God, I'm afraid. I'm very afraid. But I will try them. If I do, I'll put a picture on my Instagram, which is Champagne Princess Beauty on Instagram. Come find me. I post a lot more stuff on there, like my daily eyeshadow palette that I use, pictures of my dogs, stuff like that. Fun stuff. And just like shopping finds. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to, you can click here to go to my channel and subscribe. If you don't mind, you can click like down below. And there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And I hope you all have a great day, and I really appreciate you watching. Thanks.